If I had to give you a Filmfare right now, in return, what is it that you'll sacrifice?
Sacrifice. I mean,
What, it has to be as good. If you had an exchange here right now, what would you give me and I would give you a Filmfare instead?
I can give you a sneak peek into my next script.
And that is?
There's a war film. We are still working on it, but
I've heard that the cast is already finalized and...
we've got a couple of options, but we are still not completely zeroed in on the person. I think till the complete script is over, I don't want to take that chance.
But I hear a lot of superstars have been trying to sort of collaborate with you.
My producer is Dinesh Vijan, who's they meet they meet him. I don't meet them till my work is done. I'm just being antisocial and sitting at home and writing. So
there you are. He's not giving away anything.
Most precious thing for a Filmfare.
Yeah.
क्या करूँगी मैं? Supri stole. Take it. Give me the Filmfare.
One person you're always looking forward to bumping into, hopefully, at the red carpet.
Kareena Kapoor Khan. One day.
And if you meet her, what are you going to tell her?
I'm gonna faint.
Who's the most entertaining person you feel you'd like to meet at the red carpet?
Is Govinda sir coming?
Well,
I'd love to jam with him.
Okay.
Yeah.
One person, if you got the option to bring it as your +1 at the red carpet from the fraternity, who would that be?
Ranveer Singh.
As a +1?
Yeah, why not?
Okay.
Why not?
Why not, right? Like bromance all the way.
All the way.
All the way. Okay. And if you had to say something that you don't like about the red carpet, what would that be?
We're all dressed up in 3 pieces and we're trying not to sweat.
Yeah. So you would prefer PJs.
I'd prefer to be colder.
Yeah. I would agree. Most entertaining person you watch at the red carpet is?
Ranveer Singh. Who else?
Someone singing at the corner, no?
Yeah. Singing, jumping, dancing, doing everything. And always providing that extra dose of entertainment.
One person you love bumping into at the red carpet?
I love bumping into all my co-stars that I haven't seen in a really long time. I don't know where Suraj is. I'm sure I'll bump into him.
Okay, fair enough.
Yeah.
The most entertaining person you've mostly like watched at the red carpet?
Ranveer Singh.
Hands down.
Yeah.
Doing what?
Dancing with his speakers. He doesn't need to do anything. He's just entertaining.
Okay. One B-town couple that you hope you bump into at the red carpet, or you really like watching them?
Jaya Ji and Amitabh Bachchan.
Really? If you bump into them, what were you going to say?
Namaste.
On the red carpet, one person that you really find most entertaining?
I think Shah Rukh sir and Ranveer.
On the red carpet?
Yeah.
As well? Okay, fine. One lady you'd like to walk in with from the B-town if you got an opportunity to?
Well, this time I couldn't walk with Patrulekha, so I think it's gonna be Patrulekha every time.
Tell me, you look amazing.
Thank you so much.
Now you're used to all this red carpet. You're like killing it.
हाँ, मैं बिल्कुल नहीं आती हूँ. 1-2 दफ़ा ही गई हूँ मैं. पहली बार Filmfare आ रही हूँ.
Filmfare पहली बार.
पहली बार.
But what is it about these award functions that you're becoming like Amir? You don't want to entertain?
No, nothing like that. Nothing. I'm just very socially awkward. Yeah. So I'm a very shy person like that. तो मुझे लगता है इतने सारे लोग होंगे, क्या करूँगी मैं? क्या बोलूँगी? क्या करूँगी?
The most interesting person you hope to bump into on the red carpet?
Shah Rukh Khan.
And Q, because he's just like...
I love Shah Rukh Khan. मतलब ये पूरी दुनिया को अब मालूम पड़ चुका है.
दुनिया एक तरफ है, शाहरुख एक तरफ.
शाहरुख एक तरफ.
Okay, the most interesting B-town couple you hope to bump into on the red carpet?
Deepika Padukone and Ranveer Singh.
Because they are the best couple ever.
Priyanka Chopra and Nick Jonas.
दो. Okay. One thing that you love about the red carpet and one thing that you don't?
One thing I love about red carpet is that you get to see a show that big, and I hate meeting random people and that awkward silence now. थोड़ा से.
Okay. But I think you're doing well.
I think I'll survive.
Have you now, because you come to like parties, have you come across this social awkwardness?
मतलब मैंने पिछले 3-4 साल में गिन के 3 पार्टियाँ अटेंड की होगी और ये दूसरा अवार्ड शो है.